How do you feel if you receive a visitation of someone whom you had missed for so long? How do you receive that visitor? Suddenly the joy fills the hearts because that person means a lot. And the joy is the outward appearance of the love that we dispose for that person. Dear friends, today we are celebrating the third Sunday of Advent year C. Traditionally, the third Sunday of the Advent is known as the Gaudete Sunday or the Sunday of Joy. This name of the third Sunday comes from the entrance antiphon of today, which says, "Rejoice, I say always rejoice, the Lord is near." In our first reading of today, Prophet Zephaniah is telling the people of Judah to rejoice because the Lord has repented from his sentence and he brings them joy. During the time of Prophet Isaiah and Micah, they witnessed the destruction of the kingdom of the northern parts. So Zephaniah is inviting the people of Judah, if they don't repent, what happened to the kingdom of the northern parts will happen also to Judah. And St. Paul in the second reading is inviting the people of Philippi, telling them that they should be happy because happiness is what he is wishing them. And in the gospel of today, John the Baptist is busy administrating the baptism of conversion to people who had come to him. He was showing them how they should get the joy, the way of joy, who is Jesus himself. Dear friends, today the central theme of our reflection is joy. We are being called to be people of joy because the Lord is near. The one who gives us joy is always close to us and is willing to give that joy whoever comes to him. So how can we learn from today's celebration? 2 points. The first point is the Lord is the source of our joy. Many times we find things in our life and we find happiness, but that happiness is temporary. But the happiness that comes from the Lord is a true happiness and no one can take it from us. And whoever goes to the Lord, for sure you will receive that happiness. So we need to be at the feet of Jesus as the Mary, the sister to Lazarus, who was at the feet of Jesus listening to him. The second point is finding joy and happiness in working for the Lord. John the Baptist, he was working for the Lord. He was happy. He never boasted. He found joy in working for the Lord. Dear friends, from whom do you get your happiness? How do you feel when you are working for the Lord?